These AI road maintenance videos are going viral on Instagram right now. I came across this video with over 132 million views, this other video with 36 million views, and this one with 34 million views. So that got me curious and I wanted to know exactly how they were able to create those videos. I did some digging and I'm here to show you guys exactly how you can create these kinds of Instagram videos. If you want me to make more videos like this, drop a sign by liking this video. So grab a cup of coffee and let me show you guys exactly how to create these videos. To create this type of video, the first thing you need to do is log into Pinterest and basically just search for a picture of a road or street. You're going to have images like this. What you just need to do is click on one and basically save it to your device. Now that you have this image, the next thing you need to do is log into Gemini. The first thing you need to do now is click on the plus icon here, which says Add File. Upload the image, and then I've already created a Google Doc file for you. What you just need to do is go to the Google Doc file and immediately copy the first prompt here. Then come back to Gemini and paste the prompt. Before you click on Generate, there is one thing you need to do, which is to click on Tools and make sure you're selecting Create Image with Nano Banana here. Immediately you do that, just click on Generate, and then Gemini will immediately give you an image that looks like this, exactly what you need. So now that you have this image, the next thing you need to do is click on the download button here to download the image to your device. Now that you've downloaded the image, what you need to do next is click on the plus icon again and upload the image you just downloaded from Gemini. Now go back to the Google Doc file after you've uploaded the image and copy the second prompt. Now come back to Gemini, paste your prompt, make sure your Nano Banana is selected, and then click on Generate. Then immediately Gemini is going to generate something like this for you, exactly what you need. Now that you have these two images, what I want you to do is download both of them to your device. So the next thing we need to do now is to convert these images into animation, and we are going to be using Google VO3. So we are going to be accessing it through Flow. You can use any AI tool of your choice, but Flow just does it better. So now when you come to Flow, just click on New Project here, and immediately it's going to bring you to where you are going to be able to create your video. The first thing you need to do is click on Text to Video here and change it to Frame to Video. Now you're going to have two plus icons here. The first thing you want to do is upload the first frame of the bad road. Now what you need to do here, you have to crop it. So the first thing you need to do is click on Landscape here and make sure you change it to Portrait. Then you're going to have it like this. So when you have that, just click on Crop and Save. So now you've successfully added your first frame, which is the bad road. Click on the second plus icon to upload your second frame. Now we are going to be uploading the second image we generated in Gemini as the second frame. So basically just click on Crop and Save. Then immediately you're going to see both images here. The next thing you need to do now is go back to the Google Doc file and copy the third prompt here. Come back to Flow and paste your prompt here. Now that you have the prompt and your images, before you click on Generate, there are a few settings you need to do, which is first of all, click on the settings here and make sure that you're using this VO 3.1 fast so that you'll be using 20 credits to generate each image. Now for the output, we're going to be leaving it at 1. When you're done with that, just click on Generate and immediately Flow is going to start generating your first animation. Let me quickly show you guys how it looks before we go to the next step. Okay, so now that we have the first frame, the next thing we need to do now is to create the finishing frame, which is to upload the second frame, which is the second image Gemini generated for us. Then we need to now upload the main photo we downloaded from Pinterest as the end frame, just like this. So now what you need to do is to go to your Google Doc file and copy the lost one, come back to Flow, paste it here, and click on Generate. Give Flow some time to generate your animations. Once you have your animation, you can just basically click on the download button here and save your video as 1080p. The next step, which is the easiest, is to put these videos together, and we're going to be using CapCut. What you just need to do is open CapCut and import all the clips you generated in Flow. First, drag the first frame into the timeline just like this. Then drag the second frame, and then drag the third frame. So basically what you just need to do is to make sure that the clips fit the screen perfectly, just like this. And you're done. This is basically how they are creating these videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.